हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आए हैं। आप शायद इन्हें जानते होंगे। ही इज़ अ न्यू डायरेक्टर एट विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर, डॉक्टर ए राजा राजन। ओके, so why is he in news? He is in news because from 1st August 2025, he is a seasoned scientist and expert in composite technology, has been appointed as the new director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC, Thiruvananthapuram. Basically, he has replaced Dr. S. Unnikrishnan Nair, who retired on 31st of July 2025. Okay, so let's talk something about Dr. A. Rajarajan. He has nearly 4 decades experience with ISRO, and he is expert in composite material and played a key role in successful launch of Vikram S, India's first privately built rocket. He previously served as the director of Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC, SAR, SHAR, Sriharikota. Let us talk something about VSSC. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, a key center of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. VSSC is a premier research and development center under ISRO. It is located in the Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, and is the primary hub for development of India's launch vehicles. The center is named after Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program. Dr. S. Rajarajan contribution at SDSC SAR. Let us discuss about his contribution. First one is the preparation for Gaganyaan mission. The second one is SSLV launch complex. So discuss about first one is we see he has oversaw the development of launch pad and infrastructure for the Gaganyaan human space flight mission. About second one is supervised the creation of dedication launch site for small satellite launch vehicles, SSLV. And his third contribution is about mission operation and resource management. Ensured efficient management of the resources for both commercial and governmental mission aligned with India's new space policy. He has also successful execution of key missions, played a pivotal role in the success of Chandrayaan 3, Aditya L1, Gaganyaan TV D1 test vehicles, LVM3, M2/OneWave India 1, India's first dedicated commercial missions. And he has been also a champion in a private sector participations. Dr. A. Rajarajan has been instrumental in encouraging private sector involvement in India's space ecosystem too. He has supported to Skyroot Space Aerospace. He provided technical and managerial assistance for the successful launch of Vikram S, India's first private rocket, as I have earlier mentioned. He has also supported to Agnikul Cosmos, assisted in the maiden launch of the rocket developed by Chennai-based startup Agnikul Cosmos. And his effort reflect a strong belief in public-private partnerships, a key component of India's new space policy. His previous experience at VSSC and focus on indigenization. Let us discuss about it. So, composite technology and indigenous capabilities. Dr. S. Rajarajan previously held several important positions at VSSC. His contributed to enhancing ISRO's indigenous capability includes promoting technological self-reliance in India's space sector, partnering with Indian industries in solid motor production, localizing sensitive technology through strategic collaboration. And about his personal life, Mr. Rajarajan is married to Sri Vidya and the couple has 2 children. So for more details you can visit on the website. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. And if you do like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.